What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. Today you join me in a new car to the channel, the Chevrolet Kalos. Yes, we've got an American car on the channel, although I'm not actually sure these are made in America. Someone can probably tell me that in the comments. So yeah, it's a Chevrolet Kalos, a little economy car. It's a little 1 litre thing. It's actually really good on fuel though, and it's, you know, it's slow, it's simple, but it's a good little car to get you from A to the B. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the fuse box location, the traditional car intro video, if you like. So without further ado, let's get to it. So on this car, we're going to go to the exterior fuse box located under the bonnet. For those of you who don't know, the bonnet catch is just down below the steering wheel in the driver's side. It's this little catch here, and you just pull it towards you, and then we can undo the catch on the bonnet and get in it. The Chevrolet Kalos, for those of you who don't know this car, and I know a lot of you won't, this is it. So there's a little catch under the bonnet, like on most cars, somewhere a bit to the left of the Chevrolet badge for reference, and we can open this up, and it's got the bonnet holder on these, on the actual bonnet itself, like that. And this is the beating heart of the Chevrolet Kalos. 1 minute, I'll have to just zoom in about 10 times so you can see the engine. It is there, I promise. It's there somewhere. So tiny, little 1 litre. Like I say, it's good on fuel. There's a lot of space to work as well. I mean, you can get to everything. I could probably get a leg in there if we had to. Anyway, back to the fuse box, which is what I'm meant to be showing you guys. So for reference on the fuse box, obviously you've got your engine and the battery here on the right, and that's your ECU next to it, a big warning sticker on it. And then behind the engine is a little box here. And on the side of that box is a little tab which you can either use your finger or a flat screwdriver, a pry bar, something like that. But it's pretty easy to open with your finger. And you pull this cover off, and that reveals all your relays and fuses. It's quite a simple car, there's not much to the electrics. So I think this is all of them. And it also has all the reference points of a diagram the same as the actual fuse box. So it's a good diagram that to tell you where everything is and what it is. I'll sort of do that now. So if you need to check it, if you don't have the sticker, you can pause the video now and use this for reference. I notice there's a lot of it in Chinese as well. It's still English as well, but it's got English and Chinese. That's interesting. Maybe they're popular over there. I don't know. But yeah, that's the fuse box location. And then if you finish with that, pop the cover back on. I'll end the video back inside the car and confirm whether or not there's another fuse box in the front, in the glove box or something. I'm not sure if there is, or it's just that on these. But anyway, let's go back inside the car. Right guys, so we also have an interior fuse box, which I actually had to research a bit to find, because there's nothing around the dash area, but it is like on the Volkswagen Polos, on this side bit here as you open the driver's door, or if it's a European car, if it's a left-hand drive car, I don't actually know the answer to this. I don't know if, does the fuse box move over to that side with the driver's side still, or does it stay on what would now be the passenger side? Either way, right-hand drive car, it's the driver's side, and it's just a little plastic flap that you pull off like so. Get it off, revealing a few more fuses. I can't get the door fully open because the car's in the garage, but yes, you get the point, you can see it. And again, we have a sticker with what's what, so I'll just give you a second on that if you want to pause it now. If you don't have the sticker on your car, you've got it for reference there. Yeah, and that's the interior fuse box, just a plastic panel with some tabs on, which pops on and off, just like that. And back on. This would be a lot easier with 2 hands, just like that. And that, guys, are the 2 fuse box locations for the Chevrolet Kalos. I hope you found this useful, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. All that malarkey. There will be more videos to come on this car, the Chevrolet Kalos, and also some more on the new Peugeot 307 to the channel. And again, you know, general requests, let me know if there's a specific car you want to see. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.